guys, so that is literally it for today. So yeah, let me do this video again. So cool. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Makeup Maze South Africa. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, before I actually begin, I want to first of all say thank you to all you guys that have subscribed. I finally reached my 100 mark subscribers. I'm so excited. I know 100 doesn't seem like a lot, but to me it's a lot, and I appreciate it. So thank you to all my subscribers. I've reached my 100 subscribers mark. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really nice, soft, sultry Saturday date night look. It took me a bit of a while, but it is quite simple. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. Like my video. What's the other thing? Notifications bell. And leave your comments below. Let me know like what other videos you guys want me to do. Any tips, advice, let me know, and I'll do them just for you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Cool bananas. so that is literally it for today. So yeah, let me do this video again. So cool guys, so the outfit for today is I'm gonna be wearing this really cute simple outfit. The top I got is from my mom. She gave it to me as a gift. It's a vintage. The skirt is from Zara, H&M. The bracelet mom gave to me as well. I think it was actually like a bracelet for a bag. And the shoes are from Aldo. So before I do leave, I'm going to quickly go through my bags. I'm not sure which bag I should go with because the first option I do have is the one by Aldo. Super, super cute, cute black bag. And it goes really well with the gold detail that I'm wearing. Aldo shoes, Aldo bag, just makes a lot of sense. Or I have this really, really cute clutch I got from Thailand. Cute clutch. It has some like diamond detail, really pretty when the light hits it. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna go well with the gold bracelet, so this is a no, but it's really, really cute for a dinner date. And the last option is this really cute bag my mom also gave to me. I'm super spoiled. Super cute green bag, love it. The color pops so well on black, as you can see, like that. And you can even wear it either as a sling bag, like this, sling bag, really, really nice. Very like casual, like on a casual day, sling bag. Or you can also wear it as a clutch. So either with the chain on, so you can wear it like with the chain on like that, right? Or you can also wear it without the sling, just like that by itself. Super cute. I love how the color pops on the black that I'm wearing. This color is really nice. I just don't think it's going to look nice with the shoes that I'm wearing because those like green shoes don't work well together. Cool guys, so as I was saying before, I'm not going to be going with the green bag, as you can see, because the shoe color is also green, but the colors are very different. And if the shoes were black, 100% I would go with the green bag. They just clash. So I will not be using this green bag because they just don't match. I feel like they're like competing. The colors are competing with each other. So I'm gonna definitely go ahead with the Aldo. Cute bag as well. Goes well with the bracelet detail, with the gold. Either wear it like that. Super cute, or like that, or like that. Really, really nice. Or I could also have it as a sling bag. This sling bag. Easy. Super comfortable. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely go with this one. Works well, it's super easy, super cute and small, and yeah, it just works. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.